Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be creating the smoky eye Desi look. So if you want to see how I got it, keep watching. So we're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette, and to start we're going to use the color Twig and put it all over my crease. Next we're going to use the shade Bloom and rub that into the crease as well. Next we're going to be using Slate and add it to the corner and on the top. Then we're going to use a concealer to cut that crease and use the color Pearl and apply it all over the lid with a flat brush. Then we're going to use the loose pigment palette from Iconic. And then using the shade Noir, we're going to add black to the corners. For face, we're going to use the Vasanti Glow Serum and apply it all over my face. For foundation, we're going to use It Cosmetics CC Oil Free Matte Foundation, and I absolutely love this one. For concealer, we're going to use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. My shade is number 12. And then we're going to use NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Pencil in Milk and apply that in the waterline. And going back, we're going to take a darker shade from the palette and then apply it in the bottom of our eyes. Then for bronzer, we're going to use my favorite bronzer from Too Faced, the Chocolate Matte Bronzer in the shade Medium. For blush and highlight, we're going to use the Huda Beauty Pink Sands 3D Highlight Palette, and I'm going to go apply the blush first and then the highlight right after. For lips, we're going to use the Permanent Pout from Pout Beauty in Razzling Days and the shade Z. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. For more videos, please subscribe below.